Good morning students. Next chapter is chapter number 5, vectors. Vectors, first of all, scalar quantity. A quantity which can be described by magnitude only. It is called scalar quantity. For example, temperature, area, volume, etc. Now second is a vector quantity. Quantity which can be described by magnitude as well as direction is called vector quantity. For example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, etc. These are vector quantities. Now, what is meant by vector? Means the representation of vector. Vector represented by a directed line segment. Its support is a line and it is a segment. Here, segment AB bar is a vector. Its initial point is a point A and its terminal point is a point B. If the initial and terminal points are not specified, then the vectors are denoted by small letters A bar, B bar, C bar, etc. And if they are specified, then the vectors are denoted by AB bar. Here, A is the initial point and B is a terminal point. Therefore, there are two types of representation of vectors, vector AB bar or vector A bar, vector B bar, vector C bar, etc. Now, what is meant by magnitude of vector? Magnitude of vector is AB bar is denoted by mod AB bar and it is defined as length of segment AB. Magnitude does not depend on the direction of vector, since direction is different part and magnitude is different part. Magnitude of AB bar is equal to length of segment AB. It is length. Direction and magnitude are different terms. Magnitude not depend on the direction of vectors. हे तुम्ही व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवायचे. Now next part is types of vectors. Types of vectors. First vector is a zero vector. Zero vector means there is a no direction. Means vector whose initial and terminal points are coincide. एकाच जागेवर असते. There is a no direction and no magnitude. Its magnitude is also 0. That is, magnitude A bar is equal to 0, where A is the initial as well as A is the terminal point. They are coincide to each other. Now next is unit vector. Unit vector whose magnitude is unity means only one unit. Length means mod of A bar or mod of AB bar is equal to 1. Its magnitude is 1 unit only. The unit vector along the direction of any vector A bar is denoted by A cap, or also read as A cap or A hat also. A cap means A cap is a unit vector of A bar. Third type is coinitial and coterminous vectors. First of all, coinitial. Vectors having same initial point are called coinitial vectors. Here, vector A bar and vector B bar are coinitial vectors. Its initial point is the same. For example, it is O and it is A, it is B. OA bar and OB bar. O is the same initial point and therefore these two vectors are called co-initial vectors. Now, co-terminal vector. Vectors having same terminal point. Here terminal point is same. Are called co-terminus vectors. Here vector D bar and vector C bar are co-terminus vectors since its terminal point is the same. Now next is equal vectors. What is meant by equal vectors? Two or more vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have same magnitude as well as same direction. Magnitude पण सेम असला पाहिजे म्हणजे लेंथ. आणि दोघांची डायरेक्शन पण सेम असली पाहिजे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ए बार अँड हिअर बी बार, मॅग्निट्यूड, लेंथ सेम, डायरेक्शन आल्सो सेम. देअरफॉर बोथ वेक्टर्स आर इक्वल वेक्टर्स. मॅग्निट्यूड पण इक्वल पाहिजे आणि डायरेक्शन पण इक्वल पाहिजे. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज अ negative of a vector. If a bar is given vector, any vector, then the negative of a bar is a vector whose magnitude is same but direction is opposite to a bar. दोघांचा मॅग्निट्यूड सेम असेल पण डायरेक्शन पूर्णपणे अपोजिट असेल. It is denoted by minus a bar or negative of a bar. Here a bar is a given vector, then its negative vector is a minus a bar. Here magnitude same but direction are opposite directions. A bar and minus of a bar or negative a bar are negative vectors to each other. Type is a collinear vectors. Collinear vectors, two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to same line or they along the same line. ते एकाच लाईनला पॅरलल असतील किंवा ते एकाच लाईनवर असतील, then the vectors are called collinear vectors. And next type is a free vectors. Free vectors means if a vector can be translated anywhere in the space without changing its magnitude as well as direction, then such a vector is called a free vector. For example, it is a bar. It is also a bar. Suppose here b bar and here b bar. Here a bar is a free vector as well as b bar is also free vector. They can translate anywhere in the space but magnitude same as well as direction also same. Now next part is a algebra of vectors. In first, scalar multiplication. Vector k times a bar has the same direction as a bar but its magnitude is k times as long as a bar. K times a bar is a scalar multiple of a bar where k is a non-zero constant. It is negative or positive. And if it is positive means greater than 0, then vectors k times a bar and a bar has same direction. But the vector constant k is a negative means less than 0, then vectors k a bar and a bar has opposite direction. If the scalar is positive, then the directions are same. If the scalar is negative, then the directions are opposite. A bar and k a bar are collinear or parallel vectors, means they lie on same line or they parallel same line. If a cap is a unit vector along the direction of a bar, then the vector a bar can be expressed as a mod a bar into a cap, its magnitude and vector unit vector. Mod a bar here multiply divide केला RHS ला. Therefore the vector a bar is a cap is a bar upon its magnitude. म्हणजे युनिट वेक्टर जर तुम्हाला शोधायचा असेल तर या फॉर्म्युल्याने आपण त्याला शोधणार आहोत. युनिट वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू दिस वेक्टर अपॉन इट्स मॅग्निट्यूड. आणि हा कशावरून आला तर हा स्केलर आहे. स्केलर इनटू वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर म्हणजे स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशनचा उपयोग करून आपण ही मिळवू. आता नेक्स्ट आपण दोन पार्ट पाहणार आहोत. सेकंड पार्ट इज ॲडिशन. 11th मध्ये ऑलरेडी झालंय आपलं ॲडिशन. First of all, triangle part. In a triangle ABC, if AB bar is equal to A bar and if BC bar is equal to B bar, then the third side of triangle ABC means AC bar is A AB bar plus BC bar, not magnitude, only direction here, means vector, means A bar plus B bar. Here AB bar as a bar, BC bar as a B bar, then the third side of triangle is A bar plus B bar, and this vector addition is called triangle law for vector addition. Now second parallelogram. If the vectors are co-initial, means its initial point is same. AB bar is equal to A bar and AC bar is equal to B bar. Then complete the parallelogram ABTC. ABTC, complete the parallelogram. And we know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and parallel also. Therefore, AB bar is equal to CD bar and both equal to A bar. AC bar is equal to BD bar and both equal to B bar. And using triangle law again, AB bar plus BD bar is equal to AD bar. Means AB bar plus AC bar is equal to AD bar. It is a parallelogram. And last topic is the subtraction. Subtraction of two vectors means first vector add the negative of second. A bar minus B bar means A bar plus minus of means negative of B bar. Here the subtraction. A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Here B bar is this, then minus negative of B bar is this. And therefore A bar plus minus of B bar is equal to subtraction AD bar. Now these are the laws of vector addition. These laws are vector addition. These are the laws and go through it. Thank you.